Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol DCIX. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out with levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Now, this chart's a little tricky to talk about from a presentation standpoint because there's a lot of perspective that goes into it. What do I mean by that? Well, I mean, if you're a day trader and you bought somewhere up around here and you want it to sell within 20 minutes after buying, then yeah, for you, the chart looks bad. But if you care about the big picture of things, there is still actually an opportunity for the bulls, but things are getting pretty close to thin ice. So what do I mean by the bulls do still have an opportunity for more of a big picture? Well, that's where this level here comes into play, which is valued at $1.62. Why is $1.62 important? Well, let's say the price actually comes down here, hits it, but in this situation, breaks to the downside. What would that be doing to the price at that point in time? That would literally be putting the price right back inside of this range that it just broke out of. Not to insult your intelligence, but price movements with true power are not going to go back to where they were, right? They're going to make progress forward. I'm assuming I state the obvious when I say that. So on the flip side of things, let's say the price does come down, again, $1.62, but in this case actually goes and behaves something like this before starting to work its way back upwards. What would you have in this situation? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have a set of lows down here. If you picture each of these as stair steps, well, hey, now you have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. And that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. It's going to make progress forward. And I'm just defining, quote unquote, the progress point as $1.62. Once more, I 100% realize that if you are a day trader and you bought up there, then yeah, you probably couldn't care less about this, the broader stair step here. But that's why I try to offer up a warning that I would be talking about things from, a couple different perspectives. So yeah, today the price pulled back, but looking at multiple days here, you can see the bulls do still have an opportunity to build that higher base. So $1.62, let's see if the bulls can stay up above there or not. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.